Stop wasting money on outdated gear. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a pro contractor, these are the 20 genius tools every DIYer needs in 2026. We've tested the latest Amazon power tools and hidden gems from Milwaukee, Makita, and DeWalt to find the ultimate game-changing gadgets that save you time and massive frustration. From laser levels to the newest cordless innovations, these must-have tools are officially redefining the modern workshop. Let's dive into the 2026 tool trends you can't afford to miss.
Reliable and powerful lighting is essential for any workspace or environment. The RYOBI One Plus Hybrid LED Panel Light is a portable lighting solution featuring the brightest LEDs RYOBI has ever made. It offers hybrid functionality, allowing power for as long as you need it. Each panel is individually adjustable, providing customizable light coverage tailored to various tasks. The light delivers 360-degree illumination, perfect for directing light at a single wall or lighting an entire area. With up to 12 hours of cordless runtime, it ensures you can work without interruptions or fear of darkness, making it an ideal choice for versatile lighting needs. Accurate measurements and precise angles are crucial for quality woodworking and construction projects. Meet the Preciva Woodworking Square Ruler, a versatile 12-inch carpenter square designed with a stainless steel blade and retractable metal ledge for stable use. It features laser-calibrated, scratch-resistant scales with clear 1/16 inch and 1/32 inch notch spacing for detailed work. Equipped with marking holes and a scribing needle, it enables quick, precise angle marking, including common 45-degree angles. Its multi-angle scribe marks allow drawing without a needle by aligning with the edge. Ideal for carpentry, construction, and manual manufacturing, this durable tool ensures long-lasting accuracy and easy storage with its hanging hole. A compact and efficient workspace is essential for precision woodworking and smooth project execution. Meet the Grizzly Benchtop Router Table, a portable series table designed to support routers from 3/4 HP to 2 1/4 HP. The table features an extruded aluminum fence with accessory channels and a phenolic plate for easy router mounting. Its built-in e-stop switch with a removable safety key ensures safe operation. A convenient zippered storage enclosure enhances dust collection via a 2 1/4 inch dust port compatible with shop vacuums. Additional side storage bags hold bits and tools, while the tubular steel frame with leveling feet provides portability and stability, making this router table practical and versatile. Precise surface preparation and efficient material removal are essential for quality metalwork and finishing tasks. The NYXCL Miroku disc set includes 2-inch quick-change sanding discs made with premium aluminum oxide abrasive grains and an active grinding aid to prevent loading and reduce heat buildup. Designed for use with a 1/4 inch holder on die grinders, these discs feature a unique safety torque screw for strong wear resistance and fast grinding force. They operate at up to 23,000 RPM, ideal for grinding welding seams, rust, paint, and smoothing surfaces. This durable set enhances grinding efficiency and prolongs service life for versatile metalwork applications. Keeping your garden organized and watering tasks efficient requires a reliable hose management solution. The Ruvup Retractable Garden Hose Reel features a patented ratchet locking system and automatic retractable technology that ensures smooth, tangle-free hose retraction without jamming or overlaps. Its stable mounting system with strong brackets and metal pins prevents bending or tilting, while the 180-degree swivel design provides flexible movement and superior coverage. Equipped with a 100-foot hose and a 10-pattern nozzle, it handles everything from delicate plant watering to surface cleaning. Built with UV and all-weather protection, this durable reel includes a smart locking system and safe slow retraction for longevity and convenience. Efficiently removing paint, glue, wax, and other coatings without making a mess is crucial for many projects. The Hyde tool's vacuum scraper collects dirt and debris while scraping, keeping your workspace clean. It attaches easily to any wet or dry vacuum with the included adapter. Equipped with an ultra-strong replaceable carbide blade, it handles tough scraping jobs with ease. The ergonomic handle design prevents scraped knuckles, and a pull knob allows for aggressive scraping. It also features a built-in hammerhead and includes a 6-foot hose for extended reach and convenience during use. Stable material support is essential for accurate and safe woodworking or cutting tasks. The WORKPRO folding roller stand offers height adjustability from 27 to 43 inches, making it adaptable for various projects. Built with a heavy-duty design, it supports up to 250 pounds, perfect for outfeed woodworking applications. The highly visible edge guides help keep workpieces in place, while the eccentric foot ensures stability on uneven surfaces. Its portable, lightweight construction folds for easy storage and transport. Installation is simple. Secure the eccentric foot without removing the screw, ensuring long-term durability. Ideal for supporting long boards, panels, or pipes, this stand enhances efficiency and precision in any workshop. Removing stubborn ice from windshields in harsh winter conditions demands a tool that maximizes force and efficiency. The Mallory MAXX-Force scraper combines patented flex blade technology with offset ice chippers to cut through ice quickly and effectively. Its 4-inch wide flex blade conforms perfectly to the glass, delivering full scraping coverage, while the offset chipper design ensures simultaneous contact for maximum ice-breaking power. This focused energy approach removes ice and frost up to 4 times faster than traditional scrapers. Built with a comfortable rubber grip for ultimate control, it makes clearing snow and ice easier, faster, and more effective even in the toughest conditions. Controlling dust and ensuring safety while routing mortar is essential for a clean and precise job. The Marcrist Mortar Router Dust Guard offers a steel guard and dust control system that makes routing safe and 100% dust-free. It includes precision depth setting and a cutting guide for accurate routing. In addition to an Allen key and 4 adapters that fit all common angle grinders, the set is chromium-plated for longevity. Easy to use and cost-efficient, this guard mounts securely with thumb screws and flanges, lifting the blade away from the dust guard to prevent damage during operation. Keeping your workspace organized and safe requires a reliable way to manage power cords. The VEVOR retractable cord reel provides a heavy-duty and durable solution, featuring a 45 to 50-foot 3CSJ Tau cord with a 4 1/2 feet let-in cord. Its automatic retractable lockable system allows for 1-second retraction and locks at any desired length. The longer coil spring with enhanced elasticity ensures smooth operation, while the LED lit plug indicates power status. Equipped with a modified adjustable stopper, a 180-degree swivel mounting bracket, and a built-in circuit breaker, this cord reel protects against short circuits and overloads. Easy to install, it powers devices safely anywhere with convenience and versatility. For precise woodworking and hardware installation, accuracy in drilling is essential. The Trend Drill Bit Guide set is designed to deliver accurate self-centered pilot hole drilling with ease. Featuring quick release guides, it ensures perfect alignment for hinges and lock faceplates. The set includes 2.4mm, 2.8mm, and 3.6mm spring-loaded guides, made from durable high-speed steel for a longer life. Suitable for impact drivers and quick chuck drill tools, the bits retract safely and can be easily dismantled for cleaning or replacement. Ideal for use on timbers and boards, this set provides maximum precision for pilot holes every time. For efficient and versatile fastening in various projects, a reliable staple gun is essential. Meet the WORKPRO tools. Staple Gun, a 6-in-1 heavy-duty tool compatible with multiple staple and nail types, requiring no adjustments when switching between them. Its quick-release loading magazine ensures fast and easy staple replacement, while the patented driving mechanism prevents jamming, saving time and frustration. Featuring a comfortable anti-slip rubberized grip to reduce hand fatigue and a retractable handle for compact storage, this staple gun offers dual power levels for use on both hard and soft materials. Ideal for weather stripping, insulation, upholstery, fencing, and more, it's built for convenience and durability. In demanding construction and renovation projects, cutting through hard materials requires a reliable and durable tool. The EZARC Carbide oscillating blade features advanced carbide technology with laser welding, making it exceptionally strong and long-lasting, up to 30 times the life of standard blades. Its tapered saw blade body reduces jamming and impacts during cuts, ensuring smoother operation. Equipped with carbide teeth, this general-purpose multi-tool blade excels at cutting extremely hard concrete nails, hardened screws, bolts, metal, wood, plaster, and drywall. Designed for quick release and versatile use, it offers durability and precision for professional-grade cutting tasks across various materials. Working safely at height requires tools designed to prevent accidental drops and loss. The GEARWRENCH Tether-Ready ratchets introduce a revolutionary 90-tooth ratchet with a patented two-step locking design, making unintentional socket drops virtually impossible. Featuring an easy-to-clean polished chrome finish, clear on-off lever markings, and a tether connection point with an integrated wire rope ring, these ratchets easily connect to any tethering system. The two-step locking mechanism allows quick and secure socket attachment and removal with a sliding plate and quick release button. This innovative line promotes safety and efficiency, making it a standout solution for professionals working in elevated or challenging environments. Accurate alignment is essential for fast and flawless cabinet installation. The Jorgensen cabinet claw is crafted from durable aluminum and designed to align and hold cabinets securely during assembly. It features adhesive protective felt pads to prevent damage to cabinet surfaces and dual screw adjustment, one for tightening the jaws and another for precise alignment. The built-in guide hole allows easy drilling of a 1/8 inch diameter pilot hole for joining cabinets. Recommended in pairs for each cabinet set, this tool saves time, reduces effort, and ensures perfect alignment. Ideal for professional or DIY cabinet installation, it combines strength, precision, and surface protection in one versatile clamp. For those needing to make powerful, precise cuts through tough materials, a reliable heavy-duty saw is essential. The SKILSAW Worm Drive Saw, also known as Saw Squatch, features a 10¼ inch blade and a motor designed to cut 4x material in one clean, efficient pass. It easily handles LVL, glue-laminated pine, and PSL wood. Equipped with SKILSAW's dual-field motor technology, it uses dual copper windings to dissipate heat, keeping the motor cooler for increased power and durability. This saw delivers unmatched power and reliability for demanding cutting jobs. Having a versatile, easy-to-use saw is essential for tackling diverse cutting tasks in tight spaces. The ALLWAY Handy Saw, originally crafted in 1935, embodies true American ingenuity with its unique design. Featuring two quick-change blades, this lightweight saw can cut metal, wood, or plastic with blades tension-mounted in 4 positions. No screws or clamps needed. Its ergonomic pistol grip reduces hand fatigue, allowing maneuverability and cutting in 4 directions, reaching spots other saws cannot. Built with uncompromising quality, the ALLWAY Handy Saw remains a trusted, innovative tool for contractors, dealers, and DIY enthusiasts seeking reliable, value-added cutting performance. Keeping outdoor and indoor spaces clean requires a powerful yet portable tool. The Sacker Portable Dust Cleaner is a handheld, cordless blower designed for versatile use, including car drying, camping, barbecuing, and household cleaning, like dust removal and leaf blowing. It boasts an impressive speed of up to 180,000 revolutions per minute, providing strong blowing power to easily clear snow, leaves, and debris. The adjustable speed feature allows precise control, increasing or decreasing wind strength with pressure on the switch to meet various needs. Its lightweight portable design makes it ideal for efficient cleaning of patios, gardens, and driveways, perfect for both home and professional use. Accurately marking drilling points on various materials is crucial for precise work. The NEIKO Automatic Center Punch is a 5-inch spring-loaded tool designed for metal, wood, plastic, glass, and leather. It features an adjustable impact stroke and a compact hardened steel tip for reliable marking. The chrome-plated body resists corrosion and withstands intense impact, while the reinforced S2 steel tip ensures durability on tough surfaces. Its non-slip grip and precision-centered tip provide excellent force control for accurate holes. This versatile all-in-one center punch also functions as a glass breaker, making it ideal for diverse tasks requiring precision and durability. Quickly and safely removing broken roof slats is essential to prevent leaks and further damage. The Sealey Slater's Ripper is designed to remove and repair broken roofing slats with ease. Featuring beveled hook edges, it slides under nail heads to grip them firmly. Made from hardened spring-tempered steel, it offers toughness and durability for long-lasting use. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip during use. To remove a slate, slide the ripper under it, hook the nails, and hammer to pull them out. This tool makes slate repair efficient, helping maintain a secure, leak-free roof.
That's our list of the best new tools of 2026. Which of these genius inventions are you adding to your toolbox first? Let me know in the comments below. We read every single one. If you found this tool review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more DIY project tips and workshop upgrades. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best tool deals available right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next build.